Hello, my Facebook friends. Dave D. Williamson here. I have a quick tip for you. If you're not using Google Plus, you are missing out. I just discovered something fantastic. It's getting me all kinds of traffic and it's free. So let me show you exactly what I'm doing here. This is a quick tip that I'm sharing with you right now. Only my friends on Facebook. So I'm going to log in the back office of WordPress, my blog. Okay. We're going to log in here and I'm going to show you something that's so cool. It will blow your mind so bad. Here, we're going to go to post and we're going to come right in here. This is my Royalty 7 review post. This is just another post on my site. Now I'm going to scroll down here to the bottom where the keywords are. Okay. Now I'm going to copy all these keywords that I use in this post. I'm going to put them in a notebook pad. This literally, and I'm going to show you just how quick this you can make this happen right now. Okay. This is hot as we speak. Okay. I'm just going to pick a random phrase here, long tail keyword phrase that I use. How about how to invest money to make money. Okay. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come over here to Google. Now keep in mind, now this is one of my, keywords. Oh, I'm sorry. We do not need Google. I'm logged into, my Gmail account. I'm going to hit the plus Dave D. Williamson, which is going to take me to Google Plus One. Okay. And yesterday I posted a tweet in here, update, whatever you want to call them. They're called something different in every community. But anyway, I posted a tweet in here and discovered this, which I'm going to show you right now. Let's go back here and put Google in there. I should have actually left that up, but that's okay. We're going to paste that keyword I just copied into Google. Okay. Now I'm going to hit enter. This will blow your mind, my friends. Hold on here. Look at this. First page of Google. And this is not my website. This is actually the post I did, or post update I did in Google Plus. So this posting in Google Plus put me on the first page. It's unbelievable of Google. Why is this happening? Let me explain why. Google and Facebook are fighting wars right now. Okay. Facebook has taken over social media. Google has got the machine gun out and they're fighting back. Now, they do not have the social media morals, and relationships built up because their specialty is search engine along with a lot of other arenas of marketing. Okay. So what they're doing is they are giving you the advantage of posting on the first page for getting on Google Plus, getting your account on Google Plus and getting active in Google Plus because they are trying to steal a part of the social media presence that is forever growing on the internet. And Facebook is leading. So they are at war with Facebook. Now, if you look here, here's on the first page of Google, I have, want to know how to invest and make money. That's my, how to invest and make money is my long tail keyword. Okay. Look at this again down here. They got a YouTube video. Here I am again. Look at this. You see this little emblem right here? This is from Google Plus. This was posted from Google Plus. Okay. And, it's just cool. Three postings on the first page of Google. I did it within, I think yesterday it took me like 1 hour. I was posted. All I did was come in here and spend a couple seconds. I posted right here in Google Plus and it ended up over here on the first page. Unbelievable. And I'm just using different keywords I've already done investigations with right out of my post. So there's a quick tip. It's $1 million tip for you. I mean, it's going to create traffic for you. I'm getting all kinds of traffic off of this and I'm not doing a lot of research. So, I'm actually getting traffic off work I already did. So this is just super cool. I'm sharing it with you, my friends. And the only thing I asked is come to davedwilliamson.com. You may just be surprised. Scroll down through here and there are a multitude and variety of posts. Facebook, Twitter, there's all kinds of stuff in here. It's all 100% free. Easy to understand, live screenshot video tutorials. I zoom in. I take the time to really show you step by step everything I'm doing, and everything I'm doing is working for me right now. So with that being said, have a blessed morning. Toodaloo.